Good morning, students. You are most welcome again. In this session today, we are going to learn how to divide the decimals. Okay. So this is just same division, whatever you know already. Here you have to keep in your mind that you have to put in a particular place the decimal. Okay. So now we start. I have taken the questions of exercise 46. First question is by 5 we have to divide 41.5. Okay, so the whole number is 41 and the decimal number is 5. So first we divide the whole number by 5. 8 times 40. Okay, and 1 is remainder. Now there is decimal. Okay, so we don't write here decimal, we have to put this decimal in the quotient. Okay, and now take out 5. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 8.3 is answer. Same simple question and simple same way. Now by 5 we divide 0.04. Okay, so you know first 0 we can't divide and the decimal, so we have to put the decimal in quotient. For this decimal, for this 0 okay, and 4 we can't divide, so we have to take again 0, and now you can put 0 here because after decimal the 0 no value. Okay, so now we got 40 and 5 8s are 5 8s are 40. Okay, once again first we take the decimal, and for the 0 1 0, and now we have taken 4. Okay, also we can't divide, that's why we have to put one more 0, and then we can take, okay, 1 0. You can write after any number, means after decimal 0 0 you can write. Okay, so we got 40, so 5 8s are 40, so this is 0.008, and you can check your answer, is it right or not. So you know, if you multiply the quotient and the divisor 0.008 into 5, multiply 5 8s are 40. Okay, and decimal how, where you put 1 2 3, after 3 1 2 3 here. Okay, so this is 0.04. Okay, this is 0.04. Your answer is correct. This way you can solve the rest question. Now I do the next exercise. Now I have taken some more example. Exercise 47. Find the quotient. Here you have to find the quotient. Now always keep in mind that if the divisor is 10 or multiple of tens, it means 100,000, 10,000, lakh and crore, whatever. So you don't need to divide. Okay, only you have to put the decimal after the number of zeros, like 23.64, and is divided by 10, we can write in by form. Okay, now there is 1 0, so we will remove the decimal places. Here 2 decimal place, so we have 1 0, we have to divide with 1 0 and 1, it means 10, so we can replace the decimal into one place. Here it means 2.364. Okay, this is the answer. And here same 0.769 is divided by 100, so replace the decimal after write first 769. The decimal is here, so we have to replace the decimal place. We have to increase the decimal place 1 and 2 0, so we have to replace 2 decimal places. 3 is already 4 and 5. Now here put the decimal. Where is it? Now it became 5 decimal place. There is already 3 decimal places. Okay, and we divide with 100, it means 20, so we have to increase the decimal places up to 2. Now 3 plus 2, 5 decimal place. Okay, this is the answer. Now here, this is a little tough, so first write in by form. And 20 we can write 10 into 2. We can write 10 into 2. Okay. Now we divide. First we increase the decimal place. Okay. By 10, when we divide, the decimal place increase. Okay. 1 decimal place increase. They say 1. So now we have to put decimal after 2 here. Okay, and now by 2 is left. Now you can divide by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 10. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you got it. Now this one also same. So write in by form first. 5,000. Now 5,000 we can write 5 into 1,000. 1,000 into 5. Okay, and this first we divide this one. For this we increase the decimal place. Here is 1 and 0, 1 2 3. So the decimal place increase 3 places. Okay, 1 and now 3, 4 decimal places. It means this decimal place takes here. It means 0.1825. Okay, and now by 5 we can put 0. Now by 5 we can divide this one. By 5 divide 0.1825. So first decimal, so take write the decimal and then take 1. So we can't take 2. That is 18. 5 3 is 15. 3 and take 2. 32. 5 6 is 30. 2 is remainder. 2 and take 5. 5 5 is 25. Okay. It means the answer is 0.365. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we do some more examples. Now I have taken some more example of exercise 48. Here we will learn how will you divide the decimal with the next decimal. So first you have to write the numbers in by form. 3.24 by 0.6. We can divide any number, or we can divide any number by whole number, not by decimals. So first we have to remove the decimal. 0.6 we have to make this one 6. How can you make the denominator 6? If there is 1 decimal place, so when you remove 1 decimal place, as a denominator you have to multiply with 10. Okay, you have to multiply with 10. Okay, and if you remove the decimal of the numerator, so you have to multiply with the numbers of the decimals, two decimal place, so you have to multiply with the denominators by 100. Okay, there is one decimal place, so we have to multiply with 110 only. Okay, with the numerators, this become 3, 2, 4 and 0, and now put the decimal 1 to 2, it means here 32.40 and the denominator is 6. Now you can divide very easy way. Now by 6, 32.4. You can put 0 or not. Okay, I have put. Now 6 5 ja 30, 2 is a remainder, and now you have we get decimal, so this decimal we have to write with the new quotient, so 2 point, and now that is 4, 24, it became 24. Now 6 how many times? 6 4 ja 24 we cut, and there is 0, you can put 0 this here or not. 5.4 is answer. Okay, now after decimal 0 no value. Now 0.120 write in by form first. 1.5, same way you have to remove the decimal of the denominators, so remove, there is one decimal place, we have to multiply by 10 with the numerator. This became 120 is already, and 10, 120 and 10 remove or increase 10. Now put the decimal after how many place? 1 2 3 decimal place, so you have to put decimal 1 2 3 here. 1.200 and here 15, it became 15. Okay, now you can divide. After decimal no value 0, so you can write or not as you wish. Now by 15 we divide 1.200. Okay, now you know by we have 1 and you have to multiply divide with 15, we can't, so you have to take 2. Okay, so before that we have to write the decimal here, because when we take only 1, so we can't divide, so you have to move further. So now 12, so 12, when we take 12 also we can't divide, so write the 0, and now take the 0, it became 20, 120. Okay, 8 times it became 120. So answer is 0.08. Before the point you can write this one. Okay, now same here given, write it by form first. 0028 by 0.7, remove the decimal of the denominator, remove, multiply with 10. Now this became 28 into 10, 28 and 10, 280, and the decimal where we will put the decimal after 1 2 3 4 digits, 1 2 3 and 4 here. Okay, and the denominator is 7. Now by 7 you have to divide 7.028. Okay, after decimal no 0 no value, so now the quotient decimal is here in starting, so we have to put decimal in starting here also. So decimal, that is 0, so put 10, and now 2. Okay, and 8, 28. So here you have to take one more zero first. First one decimal for this 0 1 0. Now take 2. We can't divide, so write one more 0. And now take 28. 7 4 ja 28. This is 0.004. Okay, I hope you got it. And if you have not, then you can multiply with 7, that is 0.004 into 7. 7 4 ja 28. Okay, now put the decimal after 1 2 3 1 2 and put it. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we learn some more examples. Now I have taken some more examples of exercise 49. Find the quotient. Here one difference given that now the decimals given with the denominators, it means divisor. Okay, so we remove, first we have to remove the decimal of the divisor, it means cos denominators 15. Remove the we can remove the decimal here. And there is 2 decimal place, so we have to multiply with 100, so it became 900 and 15. So by 15 we can divide 15. 6 times 90 and 1 0 is left, so we can put 1 0. This is 60. Okay, here you have to remove the decimal of the denominators, okay, or divisor, make it free, and at last you can divide. Same 18 and that is 1.2. Remove the decimal of the denominators, multiply with 10 only, so it became 180 and this is 12. By 12 now you can divide. Okay, one time 12, 6 and 0, 15. Okay, answer is 15. And here convert into decimal. This one you have to convert the decimal. You have two methods. You can make the 5, make the denominator 10. For multiply, for making 10, we multiply with 2 into 10, 2 by 10. Now put the decimal after one place, 2, and after one place, 2 here. 0.2, or you can divide also. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.